All right, welcome my viewers. This is your online tutor, Pasco or Mr. Distinctions. If you're new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscription button and make sure you click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified, you get to know to say I have uploaded a new video. All right, so I want us to deal with this question which came in Mathematics 2024 paper 2. And this was the first question on section B. Okay, so these are some of the questions which you need to know by your heart, such that whenever you see such questions, you know that you have gotten free marks. Okay, so we've been told to simplify this expression. Yeah, so there are some important rules which you need to be familiar with whenever you see such question. Whenever you see the question of this kind, there are some just rules which you need to know, and if you know those rules, then you are home and dry. Okay, so for you to simplify this question, the first rule, which is very important, which I want you to know, is that you need to check the sign which is in between these two expressions. So there are only two possibilities of actually having different signs. It is either you've been given a division sign or you've been given a multiplication sign. And what you need to know is that whenever you've been given a division sign, like in this case, we've been given a dividing sign, you need to actually change this sign. You need to change this sign. But whenever you've been given a multiplication sign, what you need to know is that you are not supposed to change anything. You are not supposed to change anything. You just need to start simplifying the way it is. So in this case, whereby you've been given a division sign, what you need to do is that we are going to change this sign, which is of course a division sign, to a multiplication sign. And what you need to master is that whenever you change this sign to this one, you need to swap this expression, the expression on your right hand side. You need to bring this one, which is on top, down, and then you take this one, which is actually down here on top. Yeah, I hope you're following. So what I'm trying to say that we've been given to simplify this expression with a division sign. So we are going to say 5a squared b and then 7cd to the power 2. Okay, so now since this is a division sign, what we're going to do is that we're going to change it to the multiplication sign. So now immediately you change, you can't simplify. The reason why we're changing this sign, you can't simplify any expression with a division sign. So you need to change to the multiplication sign. So immediately you change, you need to swap now these numbers and letters down here. You actually take them on top and then you bring these down. Yeah, I hope you're following. So what we're going to say that we're going to get 21 now, 21c squared d to the power 3 divided by now 5a to the power 3b squared. So now at this stage you are home and dry. You can now start simplifying the expression. Wow. So now how do we simplify this expression? So all you need to do is just to check the numbers and letters which can actually divide themselves. Like in our case, we have this 5 and we have this 15, of which we know that 5 can go into 5 and the same 5 can go into what? Into 15. 3 times, of course. Yes. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing, we've got also this 7 7 can go into 7. And also 7 can also go into what? Into 21 3 times. Hope you've seen that. Yes. So the other thing, you need to check now the letters. We've got this a to the power 2, a to the power 3. So we can cancel this one with this one, because we are having, it's more like we are having a divided by a. So we can cancel this one with this one with this one. So we are just remaining with the 1a. Hope you've seen that. And then we are having this b, of which we can cancel with this one. Yeah, I hope you've seen that. And then lastly, we've got this c which can be cancelled with this one, because here we're having two C's, here we're just having one C, so you can cancel this C with this one so that we just remain with 1. Hope you've seen. And also we have this D squared, we can cancel it with the D to the power 3 so that we can actually remain with the D to the power 1 or just 1D. Yeah, hope you've seen that. So now, having done this, all we've remained with is just now to multiply. We are having this 3, or maybe let me just write it well. We are remaining with 3. This A squared has been cancelled with this A to the power 3, and this B has been cancelled with this B to the power 2. So we are just remaining with the 3. And then down here, we're just remaining with 7. We're just remaining with 1 because this 7 has been cancelled with 21, of which we say that 7 can go into 7 ones. And also this C, which we had here, had been cancelled with this C squared. Yeah, and then this D squared had been cancelled with D to the power 3. So here we're just remaining with 1. Yeah, because this one, we are having 1, we are having 1 times 1 times 1 is just what? It's just 1. Then times now, here we are having 3. 7 into 21, 7 into 21 is what? Is 3. And then here, since we had only one C here we are remaining with the C, since we had 2 C's. And then here we had D squared, while here we had D to the power 3, so we are remaining with the D. And then down here, all you need to see, all you need to check, we had 5, so 5 into 15, yes, 5 can go into 5 one time, and then 5 again can go into what? Into 15 3 times. This is the 3 we are having. But when it comes to these letters, we are having A to the power 2, of which we cancelled it with this A to the power 3, of which we remained with 1A, because here we are having 2 A's, here we are having 3 A's, so we are remaining with an extra A. And same applies to this one. We are having just 1 B, we are having 2 B's, so we will remain with 1 extra B. So having done this now, all you need to do is just to multiply. Since we are having this multiplication sign, it means we're just going to multiply this one times that one, this one times that one. We just do cross multiplication if you have an equal sign here. That's when you can do this. But since we are having a multiplication button, a multiplication sign, all you need to do is just to multiply directly. So we are going to say 9 times 9, we are having 9, but we are having CD. Divide by 1 times AB, we are having AB. And if you can see, we cannot simplify any further from this step. Yeah, because we cannot divide A into C and D into, these are unlike terms. So that is all about this question. That is all about this question, and this was the correct answer. Hope you've enjoyed the video and hope you've understood the concept which I've actually explained. Make sure you click on the subscription button, and make sure you turn on the notifications so that whenever I upload another videos, you get to know. Thank you very much.